While the new Taliban sanctions regime under Resolution 1988 is easier to reconcile with Security Council powers under Chapter 7 of the UN Charter than the preceding global Taliban and Al-Qaeda terrorist listing regime, it is a retrogressive step in other respects, namely in relation to the human rights concerns expressed and the reforms already undertaken within the previous consolidated regime. The procedure is much better from a due process perspective. My main problem with the Al-Qaeda list is that I don't see the abstract phenomenon of terrorism as a threat to peace and security so that it would justify a permanent transfer of powers from the UN General Assembly, which is the lawmaking body, to the Security Council, which is the executive body. So it's a legal basis problem.
Apart from all that you say, is that you are...
We have sent a letter to the government of the United States asking for the facts, the factual account of the killing of Osama bin Laden. I could accept that loss of his life was done in the context of a legal law enforcement operation. I commend the United States for sending men and not missiles, which suggests that there was an effort to capture, to arrest, to take to court Osama bin Laden. And I can very well understand that it was a very risky operation where the whole building could have been wired so that by pressing one button, Osama bin Laden could have detonated a huge explosion and kill everybody. So I'm sure they were taking huge risks, and that's why they, in my view, had to be prepared for the use of lethal force.